Hello guys, today we are going to learn some basic commands related to Linux. So our first command is ls command. As we know that ls commands list our directories files which is present in that directory. So I will type ls. We will get to know that there are some directories, some files are present. But we didn't know who is the owner of that file, when the file is created, what does the time the file is created, what is the size of that file. To know these all things, we will type ls-l. Here we will get to know who is an owner, what is a group, what the file size is present, at what date the file is created, or we can say a directory is created. It will help us to get to know all these things, and it is a very useful and efficient way to get a result from ls commands. Second switch is -a. So here is an example. I have known that the file, what are the users of the file, what type of file it is, and when it is created. But there are some files which are not shown to us. To know that file, we will type ls-la and hit enter. Here there are two files. First is test1.txt and second is test2.txt. These two files are a hidden file which is present into our desktop, but we didn't get to know in normal ls-l, which will give us long list form. But if I type ls-la, we will get to know that the hidden file is also present into this directory. And I will also teach you how to create a file or how to create an hidden file. So first of all, we will learn how to create a file. I will teach only one command. In further videos, I will teach you properly how does we can create file related to other commands and much more. So the command called touch is used to create a file. If I type here the name David and .txt and hit enter, it will create a file called David. Here it is. So this is a file which is visible to us, but we want to create an hidden file. To create an hidden file, we will first of all type touch, then click on dot and type here David dot or hyphen hidden dot txt and hit enter. And then we will do ls. The David hyphen hidden dot txt file is not there. So this is an hidden file. So to know where the hidden file is present or if any hidden file is there in this directory, I will type ls hyphen la and hit enter. So here the file is created by an user hunter. The group of hunter can only access this file created in uh, June, July. to at this time does not contain any text or any data into that file, and hence it is proven that with the help of LA or only a hyphen A, we can create a we can see what type of hidden file is present into our directory. Our second command is called help command. As we know, there are some commands, there are some binaries executable files present into Linux command, but we don't know their keys or how to use that keys related to it. To access or to know what type of keys the binary executable or the uh, files support it, to get to know related to the switch we use called help. So example, here I want to know what does nmap do and what type of switch they will get or they have to do several types of operations. I will hit enter. Here I will get to know the uses of nmap. How does the nmap, the synopsis related to nmap. First, what we want to type, then the scan type that we want to use, the options, the target specifications, target host discoveries, or the scanning techniques, port specifications, and scan orders, service various versions and detections, script scan, OS detections, and much more. It will help us get to know all the things related. Our third command is called man command. Man stands for manual. If any command which we know, but we want to know in its brief, we want to describe that command properly. We want to understand that command. We will use man. The man will help us to know what this command do. I will type here man and I want to know what does the air crack ng do. Crack ng do. I will hit enter. I will get to know that what is an air crack ng, what is a description, synopsis, input files, options related to it. Means we can say a switch that the air crack ng uses, and all the information, how to use, how to do what the operation you want to perform related to it, will get to know about it. Our fourth command is called locate. As we know, we have created file with the command called touch. We all know that this uh, servers or the there are various computers. It contains vast files, systems, or we can say vast type different types of files. We don't want to waste our time, or we can say to search or to use the Linux in efficient way for searching the file. We call or we can use a command called locate. So first I will type here LOCAT, locate. And I want to know what type of file or what type of keyword is the file we want from our system. So I will type here test.txt. Here it will search from all the file system which is present into this Linux system. It will search all the system and it will give the links where this file name test.txt occur. So it is occurring in a trash file text.txt in different uh, directories. It is occurring. It will search all the directories and it will give you the list of the directories where the same test.txt keyword is present, and he will show you all the directories links. Our As we know that if I create a new file related to uh, any work or anything, the locate command will not help to dictate or to find it, because locate command use a database in which the in that table the file name gets added. File name is added very late because it takes time to add that file's name into his database. So this is a disadvantage related to locate command. So our fifth command is where is command. As we know that there are executable files which is present into the folder called binaries, but we want to know where the binaries are present, but in shortcut ways. So I will type here where is. I want to get to know that the what type of binary executable file that I want to get here. I will type aircrack ng and I will hit enter. I will get to know related to where this file is present, where the file also have the manual pages that I have told in previous, that what manual pages are or what does the manual man command works. Here it will also show at which directory the manual pages are present and at which directory the binary executable aircrack ng is present. It is a very useful command to get to know. Sixth command is the which command is used to get to know related to path variable of any binaries, that how does it works. Means I want to say that if you if how does the file get accessed by our system. As we know, path variable means a directory which is held by our operating system and which is pointed by our operating system from where you can access that binary executable file. In other words, if I type which command and I will type nmap, so the path variable which is set in this Linux system is the first you will access to user directory, then bin directory, and then you will get to know there is you will get to know the executable file called nmap. And this file, this is a path, this is this whole is a path which is set into this Linux system that he will access from these types of directories. So this is also a good command to know from where the directories has been accessed and how does it works. How does the binary executable file executes, from which directory it executes, much more. To know or to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you learn something new related to it. Take care. Bye bye.